Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Pizza Factory Rewards app is and how it's positioned. Pizza Factory Rewards is an official food and drink app from Pizza Factory Inc. that lets users earn and redeem reward points for purchases, order delivery or takeout, and access discounts and additional services like catering or fundraisers through the app. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. According to its official App Store listings, the core documented purpose of the app is to earn 1 point for every $1 spent toward free food or discounts and redeem those rewards inside the app. Verified app features include the ability to order delivery or takeout directly, letting users place Pizza Factory orders from their device. The app also lets you refer a friend and receive a reward, giving bonus points or savings when new users join through your referral. Official sources confirm you can search for the nearest Pizza Factory locations so you know where orders can be placed or where to pick up food. Pizza Factory Rewards may be useful for users who want a combined way to order food and build up rewards toward free items or discounts across visits. For users interested in a dedicated rewards and ordering experience from Pizza Factory restaurants, this could be an option. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.